you're looking for a fun and simple trick, I have made this super cute pumpkin out of some of our new Cuddle fabric. I just want to snuggle this thing. Like, it is so soft. So all you do is cut out a big circle out of your fabric. So you can buy as much yardage as needed or any other colors. I have actually like a lot of blue pumpkins as well in my house because blue is my favorite color. But what you do is just cut it in a big circle, and then I just take my needle and thread and kind of go up and down through the edge of my circle. And then I'm just gonna pull it nice and taut. And I actually used rice at the bottom, and then some fluff that you can get at your local craft store, just to give it a little bit of, I guess, cushion to give it a nice touch. And the top of my pumpkin, I also used a real life stem. So for my experience, I have been making these for a couple of years now, and I have not had any issues with the real life stems. So I'll just personally go to my local grocery store, and they always have loads and loads of pumpkins. And if you kind of search at the bottom of their pumpkin, like container that they have, there's tons of these stems that just fall off constantly. And I'll bring them up to the cashier and I'll say, hey, these were all broken off. I don't know if y'all are throwing them away or if I could purchase them, but they generally give me those for free. And I kind of have a little collection of them, not gonna lie. So every year we find some new fabrics, my mom and I, and we make some fun new pumpkins to go along in our collection. So underneath my TV, I've just got hundreds of pumpkins. It's kind of crazy, but this year we just started selling this Cuddle fabric. So this is my first really fuzzy one, and it has been such a delight to make. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Happy sewing. My name's Kelly.